In this video clip, we are going to make pink Yakult smoothies. Two ways: premium using fresh or frozen strawberries, and a more budget-friendly version using sugar-free strawberry syrup. Hello and welcome to another episode on our Yakult series. Today is going to be another refreshing Yakult drink. This time we are going to use strawberry as our flavor for the Yakult drink that we are going to make today. It's going to be strawberry Yakult Green Tea smoothie. Today I'm going to make two different versions. One is premium and the other is budget. And for the premium, I'm going to use frozen strawberries. If you have fresh strawberries, that's perfectly fine too. But frozen strawberries will help in making the drink really refreshing because it's already cold as it is. And then I am also going to use another version which uses a more accessible strawberry syrup. You can use any brand that you have available to you. And because this is Yakult series, I am going to use Yakult. Now Yakult comes in 80 ml bottles. What is Yakult? Very popular, started in Japan, probably the first probiotic drink that was introduced to the world, supposed to be very healthy. I'm using the original here, which is slightly sweet, but it's also got the sweet and sour taste. Some versions of Yakult, the newer versions, are actually sugar-free, but I always prefer the original. So it's a little bit sour and some sweetness too. And we are going to use Brewed Green Tea. Now, how did I brew this? If you have a copy of my book, All Things Milk Tea, there is a proportion there. Normally for 5 liters of water, we use 75 grams of green tea. And for this, because this is only 500 ml, I use about 10 grams of green tea. And we are going to use a blender to make our strawberry puree. I'm also going to add some lemon to this drink. I know that Yakult is already sour, but adding lemon will just enhance the flavor of our drink here. The recipe that I'm going to use is for 16 ounces cups, okay? We are going to start by making our first drink using the strawberry syrup. We need half a cup or 120 ml of my base, which is green tea. And then I'm going to use 1 bottle of Yakult. Okay, that's 1 whole bottle there. Just a spritz of lemon there, not a lot, you don't want it to be too sour. And then I'm going to now add my strawberry syrup. For the strawberry syrup, it's going to be about 1 ounce or 30 ml. So I'm going to put 4 pumps. This strawberry syrup is sugar-free and low-calorie. The sweetener used is stevia in the syrups, making it a healthier version. So I'm just going to give this a little bit of a shake, just to make it frothy. Okay, just put half the ice, not all of it. Shake. It's nice and cool. And we have our first strawberry Yakult refreshing drink here. Let's start making our next drink, which is our pink Yakult smoothie using frozen strawberry. So about 6 pieces of frozen strawberry into a blender. And then we're going to add 1 bottle of Yakult. And for this, I'm going to use my homemade lemon syrup. So this is 1 ounce of sugar syrup and then just some lemon juice into it, into my drink. And finally, we are going to use our brewed green tea. It's still quite warm. So into my blender, all of this, and then we're going to add our ice. That's all really, and then start blending. And there is our pink Yakult smoothie, looking really pink and very creamy. Time to pour our drink. Well, with this mix, you can also make about 1.5 cup of your drink. Well, there you have it, 2 delicious strawberry Yakult drink. So let me try this first using the syrup. I just love the balance of that sweetness of that strawberry syrup with the sour taste of Yakult. And of course that lemon zest, they just completely give you that burst of flavor in there. It is absolutely refreshing. Next it is our strawberry Yakult using the puree. It looks more creamy. It's thicker in texture than the one that uses the syrup. Okay, let's try. I just love the fact that I can eat that strawberry. Again, the taste is just perfectly balanced and simply refreshing. That's all I would like to share with you today. If you have any questions about these recipes, do let me know. I will put the full recipe in the description box below, so do check it out. In the meantime, stay safe. I'll see you again for more of these video clips. Take care. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.